Hi everyone, welcome to Kingdom Tech. Today's topic is Java. How many different ways object is created by Java? Okay, means how many ways object is created by Java. Okay, simple question. So first step is step one. Okay, one is by new keyword by new keyword. For example, real-time scenario class test. Okay, inside the class we have a public method static void main string argument. Okay, inside that we can create object. We all know that. What is that creation? First class name, then have object reference of the test equal to new and constructor test. Okay, when object is created, object is created, object is created. Okay, fine. And second step, by new instance method in java dot lang dot class. Okay, for example, class that have class name test. Okay, inside that class we can write main method void main string arguments, and inside that main method we write the new instance method test object reference of the test t equal to class name test dot class is a object reference of that test class and dot new instance method okay, object is created okay, created. Okay, fine. But that compiler throws the exception because that new instance method have a compile time exception. That exception has a illegal exception or instantiation exception. Means new instance method have a signature is that public. Okay, generic type D. New instance method throws illegal exception, comma instantiation exception. Okay, so we must be inside that try can catch block, or else we can throws the that check exception. Okay, fine. And third step is by new instance method in java dot lang dot reflect dot constructor class. Okay, so for example, I have a public class test. Okay, inside the test I have a main method public static void main of string args, and inside that main method we can write that code test t equal to object reference t equal to object of new instance method that object what is that object is a java dot lang dot reflect dot constructor in generic type is class test. object, that object equal to paste that class name dot class dot get constructor method, that store that constructor object, and we print that t object, that is that object creation, object created. Okay, fourth step is, fourth type of is that object cloning. Means why object clone. Okay, first we will follow that rule when we clone that object method. Okay, the first step one, okay, class should be implements java.lang, class should be clonable. Okay, fine, clonable, and this is a clonable interface. Okay, and step two is clone method. Okay, clone method must be override the superclass. Okay, superclass. So for example, okay, I have a class demo. Its class should be implements clonable interface. Okay, java dot lang dot java dot sorry implements clonable. Okay, clonable. Okay, and we first we create a object. Okay, okay, so protected object clone. Okay, clone throws clone not supported exception. Inside that we return the super clone. Okay, super dot clone. Okay, super dot clone, we return that super clone. Means we create and return of this object. Okay, and inside that main method string arguments. Inside that main method we write a object class. Okay, object class clone demo object. First original object, this is object 1 equal to new demo. Okay, this is a original object. And when we clone that object, means class name, that second copy of that object equal to, we typecasting of that demo class. Okay, that object 1 dot clone method, that return type, that clone method have a override that super clone of that object, and we return that super clone of object and store the object 2. Okay, this when is the object is created. Okay, this is it. Actually is clone object is created. Okay, fifth method, it's the last method. Last method is that by the object serialization and deserialization. What is serialization? Serialization means this is an object to that bytecode, and we can bytecode to that object in which that conversation or that change that object to bytecode and bytecode to object. That is called that. First is object to bytecode is a serialization, and then this reverse process is called a deserialization. Okay, that's why Java object serialization, and deserialization. Okay, for example, I have a class. Okay, class demo. Okay, I have a class demo. Implements java.io.serialization. Okay, serializable. Okay, we can have a class. Okay, class test. Okay, inside that class we have object to serialization. Firstly, main method. Okay, public. Inside that main method, first we serialize that object. Okay, first we create an object. Okay, demo object equal to demo class name, and we created an object. Okay, and second step is we object output stream. Object output stream out equal to new object output stream of new. That new file output stream of that file demo.is. Next, outdoor file object. Serializable. Create. Okay. And next we class name object equal to null. Then object out input stream. In equal to new object input stream of new file input stream of file name. Okay. And then in dot object equal to in dot read object method that type casting that object. Okay, this is the deserialization object created. Okay, this is the 5 way you can create a object. First one is by new keyword. Second one is by new instance method of that class. By new instance by using the constructor class. And fourth one is clone method. And fifth one is Java object serialization and deserialization.